The internet has exploded. E-commerce is king. Choosing the right platform is crucial. Your platform is your online foundation. A wrong choice can cripple you. A right choice can catapult you. Two giants dominate. Shopify and Amazon will break it down. You'll make the right choice. Let's get started. Shopify is about control. You build your brand, you own your customer data. Shopify provides tools, you design your store, you craft your customer experience, you handle marketing, you drive traffic. Shopify facilitates transactions. Shopify is your platform, you are the architect. Amazon is a behemoth, millions of customers, ready-made traffic. List your products. Amazon handles the rest. Fulfillment, shipping, customer service. Exposure comes at a cost. Fees can be high. Competition is fierce. Amazon is a shortcut, but you sacrifice control. Shopify is user-friendly. Intuitive interface, drag-and-drop design, technical skills not required, plenty of help available. Shopify has 24/7 support. Amazon is straightforward. Listing products is simple, but customization is limited. Shopify wins on ease of use, more control, more flexibility. Section 5, Fee Structures, the price of selling. Shopify has monthly fees plus transaction fees, but you keep more of your profits. Amazon takes a cut with referral fees on every sale and fulfillment fees if you use FBA. Shopify is transparent, while Amazon can be complex, so analyze your margins carefully. Section 6, Scalability, from startup to powerhouse. Shopify scales with you, handle a few orders or thousands. Add apps as you grow. Amazon can handle massive volume. Their fulfillment network is unmatched, but you're always subject to their rules. One algorithm change can crush you. Shopify offers more stability. You control your destiny. Section 7, Success Stories, Shopify Titans and Amazon Legends. Allbirds started on Shopify, now a billion-dollar brand. They control their story. Anchor dominates on Amazon, charging accessories millions in sales. The platform is a tool. Success depends on your product, your hustle. Section 8, The Verdict. Choosing your e-commerce champion. Shopify is for builders, brand-focused, control freaks. Amazon is for pragmatists, fast growth, leveraging existing traffic. Your business, your choice, no one-size-fits-all answer. Section 9. Take action. Your e-commerce journey starts now. Don't overthink it. Pick a platform and start selling. You'll learn by doing. You'll adapt and adjust. The key is to start. E-commerce is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the journey. The world of e-commerce is a battlefield. Two giants dominate the arena, Shopify and Amazon. Shopify empowers you to build your online empire. It's like owning your own store, but on the internet. Amazon, on the other hand, is the ultimate online marketplace. Think of it as a massive digital bazaar with millions of shoppers. Which one will lead you to e-commerce glory? Let's find out. Shopify is the DIY enthusiast of the e-commerce world. It gives you the tools to design your own online store. You pick a theme, customize it to your liking, and voila! Your digital storefront is open for business. Shopify makes it easy. They handle the technical stuff. You focus on selling your amazing products. Amazon needs no introduction. It's a household name. It's where everyone goes to buy everything. Selling on Amazon is like setting up shop in the busiest mall in the world. Millions of shoppers are ready to browse your products. Amazon takes care of payments and shipping. You just focus on keeping your inventory stocked. Shopify gives you freedom. You have control over your brand and customer data. You can customize your store to stand out. The downside? You have to attract your own customers. Amazon brings the customers to you. You benefit from their massive reach and trusted reputation, but you're just another seller in a sea of competitors. You have less control over your branding. Section 5. Finding your tribe. Which platform suits your business? Shopify is perfect for creators and brands. Do you make handmade jewelry? Do you roast your own coffee? Shopify lets you build a unique brand identity. Amazon is ideal for resellers and businesses with established products. Are you selling electronics? Are you selling everyday essentials? Amazon's vast customer base is waiting. Section 6. The price of success. Costs on Shopify and Amazon. Shopify has monthly subscription fees. You can choose a plan that fits your budget. You also pay transaction fees for each sale. Amazon charges a selling plan fee. You can choose a professional plan or an individual plan. You also pay referral fees for each item you sell. Section 7. Reaching for the stars, scalability, and customer reach. Shopify lets you grow at your own pace. Start small and scale up as your business booms. You can add new features and integrations as you need them. Amazon offers unparalleled reach. Millions of customers worldwide are at your fingertips. You can leverage their fulfillment centers and customer service to manage high order volumes. Section 8. Making the tough call. Which platform reigns supreme? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best platform depends on your business goals. Do you want to build a brand and have complete control over your online store? Choose Shopify. Do you want to leverage a massive marketplace and get your products in front of millions of customers quickly? Choose Amazon. Section 9. Conclusion. Your e-commerce journey begins. Choosing between Shopify and Amazon is a big decision. Both platforms offer incredible opportunities. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. Consider your business goals. Then take the plunge and watch your e-commerce dreams take flight.